Hey guys, this is DemiTube on Sharpwriter. Welcome back to another custom doll video, and in this video I will be transforming this Monster High boy into Hades from Overly Sarcastic Productions. So if you guys aren't familiar with Overly Sarcastic Productions, you guys should definitely check out their channel. They are absolutely hilarious and also educational, so I absolutely love that channel. Anyways, growing up and learning about Greek mythology, Hades has always been one of my favorite gods, and I don't know why so many people don't like him. Then again, it might be because of his modern portrayal in most movies. For some reason, when people hear Lord of the Underworld, they immediately think Satan and they just try to make him evil, as seen in Disney's Hercules and so many other movies. But little do they know that that interpretation of him is absolutely wrong. Yes, most of the Olympians don't like him, but that doesn't mean he's a terrible person. They just don't like him because he's kind of gloomy and creepy, and yeah, they don't like him. But in truth, he's actually a really nice guy, well, most of the time, and he loves his wife and keeps his promises, and he's a very nice guy. That is partially quoted from Overly Sarcastic Productions. If you guys want to know more about him, you should definitely go check out their channel and watch their Greek mythology videos. Anyways, enough about me fangirling about my favorite Greek mythology character. Let's get started on this doll. I went off screen to do a little bit of touch-ups. He also has nips now. We're all mature. I think we can all handle some Greek god nipples. As for his outfit, I plan to make him a toga. Now, technically, Hades is a Greek god, and togas are Roman. But then again, the Romans stole the ancient Greek belief system, so I don't think it'll be too much of a problem if a Greek god stole their fashion. In real life, a toga is a semicircle that is 8 yards long in diameter, I believe. And I decided to scale that down to doll size, which is about 1 to 12 inches, and so 8 feet is approximately 7 meters long, I believe, and that scaled down to a 1 to 12 inch scale would be about 60 centimeters. So I have this black fabric folded in half, and I measured 30 centimeters from the middle, and because it's folded in half, when I cut it out, it will be about 60 centimeters long. And I'm also going to be using How for assistance. Line his neck up with the fold of the fabric, bring him all the way down, and mark the line at where his heel would be. Then I'll take a pencil and sketch out a half semicircle, or well, a quarter circle, so I can cut it out. Next, I'll be using some clear drying glue to seal the edges. After the edges have dried, I used an iron to roll out the wrinkles, and also used a lint roller to collect all the dust that's on it. And I might have to keep doing that because this is like a velvety, really fuzzy fabric, and it likes to collect a lot of dust. And brushes, apparently. Next, I'll be taking this golden ribbon and I'll be gluing it to the edge. Here I have Ho trying it on for us just to make sure everything works, and I think it does. And I'm actually surprised that the scaling down for this outfit actually works quite well. So I just taught you guys how to make a doll-sized toga. You're welcome. Now Ho is back to normal, but we're not done with him yet. We need to make some shoes, and I'm going to be using the exact same shoemaking method that I did for Ho, but with a little bit more complicated straps. So first I'm going to be tracing the bottom of his shoe to some cardstock that I recycled from doll packaging. Next, I cut them out to trace them again. Next, to make the glue stick better, I'm going to be peeling off this shiny pink layer, just like that. Then I glue each of the pieces together, rough side to rough side, just like this. Next, I take some gold acrylic paint similar to the color of the ribbon and paint the bottoms of the shoes, as well as 2 strips of cardstock that I also peeled the shiny side off of. Now to put the sandals together, I'll be using the feet of the actual doll, and I'm just going to glue the straps into place. Partway through, the shoes got extremely difficult to do, so I decided to put it together off camera, but this is what they look like once they're done. Along with those things, I also made a crown and these gold cuffs out of the same material, and now I'm ready to put him together. Now you know why I gave him nips. And here he is, all finished. I will also be making his wife Persephone in a future video, also from Overly Sarcastic Productions. Please, please, please go check out their channel. And also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.